Look, Mama.
I don't listen to Dad.
You don't listen to Dad? Yeah, that's why you have to listen to Dad. And you have to listen to Mama.
And baby brother.
No, you don't. Oh, well, yeah. You have to listen to baby brother.
Yeah, he's
So
not talking.
he's not talking yet. But once he's talking, he's going to be like you.
Yeah,
And don't stop.
he's growing.
He's growing so fast.
Yeah, what do you mean?
Like you. I just gave birth to you yesterday and you just become like that. How you grow so fast? Do you know why you grow so fast? Are you a dog?
I want to eat ice cream.
Okay, we will eat ice cream. Do you want to go to the park?
No, I don't want to go to the park.
Not now because it's hot. Later after we take a nap.
No, I don't want to go to the park.
Okay, where you want to go?
I want to eat ice cream.
We will eat ice cream once we get home.
Oh, yeah, because I don't want to sleep.
Oh, it's not sleep. It's just like a nap. Maybe like
I don't want to nap.
it looks like sleepy now. Oh, Dad is coming back.
No.
I love you. Look, Mama. Look. You're such a pretty girl. You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You love it? He eats pizza today. Did you love it? Did you like the spaghetti? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, little boy. He's enjoying it. You like it? Every day, he's turning like a human. He loves it. He loves it. Well, we don't have a bowl. So good. Baby brother is eating some ice cream. Yeah.
Ice cream, ice cream, ice cream. There's a plate. Ice cream, ice cream.
What is this flavor?
Cookies and cream.
Well,
Cookies and cream.
and the baby boy loves it.
And I love it too.
And Mama loves it too.
Yum, 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 yum.
You're gonna drop it, okay? Just put it like that. Just like it. Well, he likes more solid food now, this baby boy. Not poking the baby boy, okay? So good. Dang, boy. More.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the last one, okay?
No.
Yeah, we're gonna eat again tomorrow.
No, I don't want to eat tomorrow. I want to eat them all.
No, baby, you cannot eat them all, you silly girl.
I don't need to eat them all. Don't say that. Don't say that's the last one. That's so mean.
What? I said this is the last one for the day.
That's too bad.
Why?
Could be the fillet, the entree are bad.
No, this is the last one for the day, okay? We can have again tomorrow, okay? Okay? If you just eat ice cream all the time, that's not good for you. You know.
Good.
No, it's not.
Mm-hmm.
It's not. What is wrong with you? Hmm?
I don't want to eat it tomorrow.
The little boy.
That's yummy.
So, your mom is so evil.
Hey, Mama, you eat it all?
Baby brother.
Baby brother?
Yeah. He wants to eat it. I'm sorry, my baby. Hold on. Okay, this is enough.
No. Ice cream.
Is it good? Mmm. Mm.
Ice cream. I love ice cream.
I know you do. I think Dad needs it. Who's that? Call Dad.
Dad.
Do not make sounds. Hey. Hey, that's not how you eat like that. That's not professional.
Oh, we get some ice cream.
Look, look.
Be careful with those cookies, baby.
Taste it.
No, I make sure that it's cream.
Mmm,
Look.
so good. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. We wanted.
Oh yeah, he's been eating. Okay, that's enough. That's enough for you. For the little boy, because this is his first time to eat an ice cream. Today he eats pizza bread and an ice cream. Yeah. And he likes that flavor. Cookies and cream. Okay, that's enough. Baby, that's enough. Hello.